Professor Arnav, or you can say as the Tech Arnav, and you're watching Eddie Tech. So once again, very good morning dear friends. Today let me see how to upload the YouTube videos by creating the channel. For that purpose we have to go to Google Chrome dear friends first of all, and in this Google Chrome now first of all we have to log into our Gmail. So for that purpose click on Gmail. Here on the right corner you will find your account. So I'm clicking over here the Professor Arnav Biswas. Now here enter your password what you are having. So I'm typing the password, and after typing this click on the next button. So as soon as you click on the Gmail is appearing over here. Now dear friends, see in this Gmail here you can find the YouTube button to the left corner of your top of the left corner. So click on the YouTube button. So as you click on the YouTube button, you will find the new interface in front of this is the new interface in front of you dear friends. Okay, so now in this, if you are clicking the right corner, the create button or the video button you are finding there. So click on that. As soon as you click on this create button, you will find two options, the upload videos and go live. You can go with the any, but first of all you must have to create the channel. So rather than I will go to the upload videos. So if I go to the upload videos, now let's see, I have clicked on that. The interfaces appear here. You will say that the Creator Academy or the Creator Journeys begins. So you have to create first of all the channel for uploading your videos. So here for that purpose you have to click on the get started. So I will on the get started, and the two options are here. You will find the use your name and the use as a custom name dear friends. If you are clicking here, selecting here, then Professor Arnav Biswas, that name will be taken. Whatever your name or the in your email ID Gmail account is, that will be taken by this. But if you're selecting this, then it will take the professional name. If you're using the custom name, then the new custom name will be taken. So I will select over here, and here you will find create your channel name. So here I will type the one new channel name what I want, that is I will type AB Tech over here, AB Tech dear friends. Okay, so click here on the checkbox and create channel. So creating the channel, you will find this creating the channel, the new interface will appear and your channel will be created dear friends. So the channel have been created. Now you'll find the nice work, your channel AB Tech has been created. So here for your channel, the icon or the photo, the pic you can upload over here, the upload picture for that purpose. So if you are clicking over here the upload picture, so as soon as you click on this tab, that is the upload picture. So let's see, you can choose any image from here. So I will go to the desktop and here choose this image and open. So you can clearly see the picture have taken, picture will be taken here. So the other ways there I will tell you later. So here you can give the channel description. So I will write here this is the technical channel. So I will write this is the technical channel, and here you can put up to the 1000 words, no problem. Now you can give the URL for your website, you can put over here, and in the same way for the Facebook you can put the URL of your Twitter and Instagram you can put over here dear friends. Okay, so if I use the save and continue, it will take it, but I will set up the latter. Okay, only simple the channel will be created, leave it, and the channel will be created. So actual channel already have been created in a simple way. Now dear friends, so though the channel I have created for, but if you can do the customized channel and YouTube Studio you can go for the more work, I will tell you later. So I will go to the customize channel. Okay, so click on this, the customize channel, and the interface appear in this way. So here you can edit or use the channel art as well as the channel icon. So clicking here, so edit, I will again use my pic from here. So click on here the upload photo, and upload photo, if you're clicking the upload photo here, you can see the find that particular photo. Again clicking over here, open, and as you open the button, it will take automatically. So here the done button and the photo have taken here. Okay dear friends, so photo have taken. Now click on the left tab again and come into this part again. So here you can edit your channel art. So one photo is already saved. I will take from the computer, select the photo from my computer. So one photo is already saved, that I will take the PicsArt photo and open it. Now let's see the photo, uploading it, the photo, the pic. So here in this way, though you can also directly use this, or you can do the adjust the crop also, no problem. So if you want to crop the cut the that channel art whatever you're using, you can adjust the crop from here, or otherwise you can directly select. So this will appear like this. So if you are doing the adjust the crop, let it, you can crop, but not necessary. Whatever the area that will be selected for your channel art, but I think this is actually already have design and okay doing the. So see, in this way your channel is being created. This is the channel art, and as far as this photo creation, it will be it takes few minutes or few moments. The channel art appears, dear friends, directly, but it takes few moments. So when I will quit this channel or the log out from my channel, and I'll after again when I do the login, it will be appear, no problem for that. It will take few moments, some time, but your channel art will be channel art is actually appeared over here. So this is the way by which you can create the your channel, and you can upload the videos. If you are uploading video now, click on this, go to the and upload video. Now it will directly take, dear friends, no problem. Now it will not ask that create the channel, so I am leaving it the learn more, not necessary now, Classic Studio. Now click on this, the select file. As you click on this, the select file, what will be happen? So you can select any file, whatever the saved file. I am not having now, so you can click on that, directly it will upload it, no problem at all. Okay dear friends, so I will cancel it or the leave it, it will be directly taken. So in this way, dear friends, you can create your channel and you can upload your videos, and whatever the next step is there in the YouTube Studio, I will tell you how to use the thumbnail or the poster of your YouTube video, and what should do for your with your video analytics, how to use the tags, and the other things are there. Okay dear friends, so in this way you can upload the YouTube videos by creating the channel. So thank you dear friends. If you like this video, please comment me, share me, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.